On April 25, 2024, students, faculty, and alumni gathered to celebrate the centennial of the UND Communication Department. Before the event, attendees were greeted with a photo exhibition displaying 100 years of UND communication history. As they made their way upstairs, they could browse the posters for the annual communication class showcase. Department Chair Dr. Soojung Kim, Provost Eric Link, Dean Brad Renquist, and President Armacost welcomed attendees to the celebration. Then, student Taylor Hess and alum John Bernstrom shared the history of the UND Communication Department. Mike Nowatzki presented the Hagerty Lecture expressing his hope and vision for the journalism industry. $43,000 in scholarships were awarded to 38 communication students during the scholarship ceremony. Then, attendees toured O'Kelly Hall, the home of UND Communication. The celebration concluded with an evening banquet where attendees gathered to build connections and reminisce. Thank you for being part of UND communication history.